Police reports, 911 calls, and video help piece together some of what happened in the moments leading up to the fatal shooting of Ahmaud Arbery on the afternoon of February 23rd. Footage secured by the Atlanta Journal-Constitution offers a view from 219 Satilla Drive near the city of Brunswick, Georgia. It is recording when Arbery is first walking up the street around 1 p.m. He walks into the yard at 220 Satilla, a house under construction across the street. At 1:08 p.m., security cameras capture Arbery walking around inside the house under construction. Then a neighbor walking on Jones Road towards Satilla sees him and calls 911.
Okay. Great news out here. There's a guy in the house right now. It's a house under construction.
Okay, do you have your address or that house's address?
Right at 219 or 220 Satilla Drive. And he's been caught on the camera a bunch before at night. Kind of an ongoing thing out here.
And you said it was a male in a black t-shirt?
A white t-shirt. Black guy, white t-shirt.
Several times before February 23rd, trespassers were caught on camera at the same construction site. And on 4 occasions, a man resembling Arbery is seen walking around. The site's owner says nothing was ever damaged or stolen, including the afternoon of February 23rd. On the afternoon of the shooting, Arbery remained in the house about 4 minutes. He then leaves and runs off.
And he's running right now. There he goes right now.
Okay, what is he doing?
He's running down the street.
Travis McMichael lives at 230 Satilla Street. At 1:10 p.m., he and his father Gregory grab their guns, jump into a white pickup truck, and pursue Arbery. There's no video at this point showing what happens in the next 3 minutes, but we do have a version of events from police statements taken from Gregory McMichael and witness Roddy Bryan. According to those statements, the McMichaels follow Arbery onto Burford Road. Passing Roddy Bryan's house, he sees the pursuit and joins in. The McMichaels try to cut Arbery off, but he doubles back and passes them. Bryan tries to block Arbery, but Arbery passes him as well and runs towards Holmes Road. Gregory McMichael told police he jumped into the bed of the truck armed with a handgun as his son Travis continued to drive to Holmes Road. At one point, the pursuit continues back up Holmes Road. At 1:14, Roddy Bryan is recording Arbery as he runs away from him and towards the McMichaels' truck. What happens next are the final moments of Arbery's life. Just before that, Gregory McMichael calls 911.
911, what's the address of emergency?
I'm out here at Satilla Shores. There's a black male running down the street.
Satilla, where at Satilla Shores?
I don't know what street we're on. Stop right there! Is it? Stop! Travis!
Sir, hello, sir. Sir, where you at?
Dramatic ending. Again, there you hear the gunshots through the phone call, the 911 call. Let's bring in Ted Rollins. Ted, great job of dissecting it all. I just want to clarify one part of this, which is really hasn't confused me, but I'm trying to have it make sense as to how it is that he's running towards the McMichaels truck. Does he double back twice? Does he double back from Burford and go back up Burford, then down Holmes and doubles back on Holmes? Is that the way it's being described?
Exactly, yeah. So he's basically running past the truck. They're in pursuit. He comes back, doubles back, and we see him basically doing that in that video, right? We see him go around the truck. This time, however, you see Travis McMichael also go around the truck, and that's where the confrontation was. So from the police reports, what we understand that happened was that he did just that, went around the trucks, doubled back, and is trying to get away. I mean, it's clear if you listen to the McMichael's own statement, this young man is trying to get away from who? Not from the police, from these maniacs, from these people who are just random. They have no identification. He doesn't know who they are. I'm sure he saw the guns. He is basically running from an unknown, an armed crew in 2 vehicles. And that's why you see the doubling back. He's doing anything he can, presumably, just to get away.
All right, so now I've heard from both Lee Merritt, who's the family attorney for Ahmaud Arbery's family, and from the defense attorney for Greg and Michael, that there are other videos out there. What we didn't see in your piece, do we think that there are videos of that time period, perhaps of this pursuit, that could clarify it for a jury during a trial?
Yeah, it seems as though there is more video, and that would make sense. Would Roddy Bryant just begin recording at that point? Likely not. They released 31 seconds of that video that Roddy Bryant recorded, but maybe somebody else has video out there. Maybe there's more of his video out there. And keep in mind, Vinny, it is as crazy as this sounds to some people. The reason that video was released in the first place was to clear the McMichaels in the public forum. They thought, oh, once people see this video, they're going to see that Ahmaud and Travis got into a scuffle, and that's why the gun went off. People are going to totally understand. Who knows what the rest of the video shows, if indeed there is more video.
Well, and that's the other part, right? If McMichael released that part of the video and there's other videos that they didn't release, why didn't they choose to leak those videos as well? And I'm not sure. I'm not sure why. But Ted, great clarification tonight, because I wasn't totally understanding everything, but tonight I have a much better picture. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.